Hello, good morning student. Today we are going to summarize the lesson named Our Environment. Dear student, as you know that environment is the word which is specially derived from Latin word envirnio. It means our surrounding. So whatever we see in our surrounding, it is the part of our environment. So it can be living things, non-living things, living organisms, and even man-made things are also the part of our environment. Environment can be classified into two parts. First one, natural environment, and the second, human environment. Natural environment is classified into two parts. First, physical environment. Physical environment comprises three important domains of the earth. First, lithosphere, it means land. Second, hydrosphere, it means water. And the third, atmosphere, it means air. Biological environment comprises living organisms such as microbes, microorganisms. Then, in the same chapter, we discuss some other important aspect. First one, ecosystem, then ecology and biomes. Now we have to understand how uh, ecosystem forms. Ecosystem is specially formed with the relationship with the living organisms with one another and with their physical environment. So however we can form, however ecosystem can be formed there. Then we discuss one more concept here. It is nothing but ecology. Ecology is the branch of science in which we can study the interaction between the living organisms with their physical surrounding. So this is the branch of ecology. Then we discuss another concept here. It is nothing but biomes. Biome means a distinct geographical zones. So there are various types of geographical zone that we always find it here, such as desert ecosystem, then grassland ecosystems, and some artificial ecosystem. You can also find it here. Suppose for example, aquarium, terrarium, all these things are the part of ecosystem, but it is a part of artificial ecosystem. Then the second part of this lesson is human environment. As you know that human environment is specially known by the name of man-made environment. So human environment means everything that is created by human being. So it can be social things, economical things, cultural things. So all the activities of human beings can be the part of human environment. As you know that every country is trying to develop itself, and human beings have been doing the various types of activities to develop themselves, not only for themselves but also for their nations. So their activities are also responsible for the loss of biodiversity. So this concept is specially known by the name of environmental degradations. Environmental degradation means loss of biodiversity or depletion of environment. So there are some causes, and these causes are responsible for the environmental degradation. Let us see. Here there are near about 5 points which are mentioned to here. First one, inappropriate land use. As you know that lithosphere is very important part of the earth. If you do not use our land properly, so definitely it will create a burden on the environment, and there will be a great loss of environment there. Second point, you know very well that we always use different types of things at your home, and something that is not useful for us, we always throw it into the dustbin. If you don't throw it into the dustbin, and if you throw it anywhere wherever you feel, so definitely there will be a great loss of environment, and it will create burden over environment. So this is the thing. Third important thing, rapidly increasing population. As you know that population has been increasing day by day, and if the population is increased tremendously, so it will create very great burden on our environment, because we know that we do have only limited natural resources, and if these limited natural resources are there, so definitely uh, all these resources will not be sufficient for the people, and it will create burden on the environment there. So this is the third point which is given to you here. Next, rapid and unplanned urban development. As you know that population has been increasing there, So it is the responsibility of the government to provide um, residents and the other facilities to the people there. If it is not done properly, so definitely it will create burden on the environment there, because everything that is thrown there everywhere, and we will face a problem there. So this is the thing which is mentioned to you here. And the last point is here, that is nothing but increasing transport networks. As you know that we have been using the different types of vehicles, and these vehicles always emits harmful gases in the environment. If these harmful gases are mixed up with the environment, so definitely it will create so many problems for human beings, such as breathing problems, skin problems, and different types of problems will be created for human beings here. So all these things we have already discussed here in this chapter. I think that you might have understood this video also. Still, if you are having any doubt, if you don't understand anything else, you can text your message to me. Thank you very much.